Hello students, good morning all of you. Today we are going to talk about the hormones of neurohypophysis. Hormones of neurohypophysis means these are secreted by posterior lobe of pituitary gland. Posterior lobe of pituitary gland does not synthesize any hormone but it stores the hormones of hypothalamus. The supraoptic nuclei and paraventricular nuclei of hypothalamus, which are situated in diencephalon part of forebrain, synthesis two neurohormones which are stored in posterior lobe of pituitary gland and released as per requirement. Okay. So, two main hormones of pituitary part, vasopressin and oxytocin. Vasopressin, also known as antidiuretic hormone, and oxytocin hormone, also known as pitocin. Firstly, we will talk about the vasopressin hormone or ADH. ADH, also called as pitocin hormone. Function of ADH in the body: it regulates the reabsorption of water and electrolytes in DCT, distal convoluted tubules of nephrons. So, it is antidiuretic hormone and it is made up of 9 amino acids. If hyposecretion of ADH, it means less secretion of ADH resultant, the volume of urine is increased and patient feels more thirst. This is called diabetes insipidus disease. In human beings, diabetes disease is of two types. First, diabetes mellitus, which occurs due to deficiency of insulin hormone, which is secreted by the pancreas. And another one, diabetes insipidus, which occurs due to hyposecretion of ADH. By more secretion, that means hypersecretion of ADH, the urine is so dense and increase in blood pressure also. Second, oxytocin, it is also known as pitocin hormone. This hormone is also made up of 9 amino acids and it is parturition or birth hormone. So, it helps in the contraction of involuntary muscles of uterus, which causes labor pain at the end of gestation ending period of pregnancy, when level of progesterone hormone fall down. During childbirth, oxytocin is secreted both from mother's and fetus pituitary gland and it acts on the smooth muscles of our body and stimulates their contraction. Pitocin is also called as milk ejection or milk letdown hormone, as it causes contraction in myoepithelial cells and help in milk secretion. Note: in hospitals, oxytocin hormone injections are used to induce labor pain. Now, next gland of endocrine system is pineal gland. It is also called epiphysis cerebri or inactive third eye. Location of pineal gland: it remains attached with epithalamus or roof of third ventricle through a stalk in between both cerebral hemisphere. It means at the dorsal side of diencephalon part. Origin: it is ectodermal in origin. Structure: pineal gland has many lobes. In between lobes and around the gland there occurs connective tissues. Its cells are derived from modified nervous cells which are called pinealocytes and neuroglial tissue. It is antagonistic to MSH hormone of pituitary gland. Melatonin hormones is secreted by pineal gland which work against to MSH. Melanocyte stimulating hormone of pituitary gland function is pigmentations in skin, means it provides the color of skin. So due to MSH skin color is dark, but melatonin hormone causes light skin color, so it affects melanocyte cells. The secretion of melatonin hormone is increased in dim light and its secretion decrease in bright light. Due to this, in blind children, means those children who are born blind or those who are exposed to bright light attain puberty earlier is due to the dysfunction of the pineal gland. It plays a very important role in the regulation of a 24-hour diurnal rhythm of our body, like sleep, awake, menstrual cycle, etc. So, it is the sleep awake clock of our body. So, it acts like a sexual biological clock. Important point: pineal gland is also called as sexual biological clock. It is also called as epiphysis cerebri or inactive third eye. Note: in human beings, the pineal body start degeneration after 4 to 5 years age, but after 8 years age, its calcification begins, in which deposition of calcium carbonate occurs in it. These are called brain sand or acervuli. Next, for number, thyroid gland. It is the largest endocrine gland of our body. Location: it is present ventrolaterally It's the junction of larynx and trachea. It is bilobed. It means it consists of two lobes, right lobe on right side and left lobe on left side, and S-shaped pinkish color structure. Both the lobes of thyroid gland remains connected by a connective tissue which is known as isthmus. Isthmus is the connective tissue which joined both the lobe of thyroid gland. Whole thyroid gland is covered by capsule and its internal part is called as stroma. Stroma contains blood capillaries, numerous follicle cells. These numerous follicle cells filled by yellow gel-like substance which is called iodothyoglobulin. These iodothyoglobulin are iodine containing glycoprotein which produce the thyroxine hormone T3 and T4. There are special cells which is called parafollicular cells or cyst cells in between the follicles of stroma region. Origin: thyroid gland is endodermal in origin and developed from pharynx region in embryonic stage. Weight: in human beings, its weight is 25 to 30 gram. Let's see the diagram. It is the larynx region, means Adam's apple. Below the larynx, trachea arise. It consists C-shaped cartilage. Both sides of trachea, right lobe and left lobe of thyroid gland is situated. In both lobes, parathyroid gland is embedded. These both lobes are formed by follicular cells which is present in internal part stroma. In between follicular cells, cyst cells or parafollicular cells is also found which secrete the calcitonin hormone, and follicular cells secrete the thyroxine hormone. Thyroid is the only endocrine gland which stores its hormone thyroxine in inactive form. अदर ग्लैंड्स हार्मोन सिक्रेट कर सकती है बट स्टोर नहीं कर सकती. थायराइड एक ऐसी ग्लैंड है जो अपना हार्मोन स्टोर भी कर सकती है. हार्मोन्स ऑफ थायराइड ग्लैंड. थायराइड ग्लैंड सिक्रेट टू हार्मोन्स. फर्स्ट thyroxine and second calcitonin. Firstly, we talk about the thyroxine hormone because it is the main hormone of thyroid gland. Secretion of thyroxine hormone is regulated by TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. TSH is secreted from anterior part of pituitary gland and it is found as thyroglobulin in the cavity of thyroid follicles. How to synthesis of thyroxine hormone in thyroid gland? Thyroxine is made up of two component, first iodine and second tyrosine amino acids. Iodine is a mineral and it is take by diet. Tyrosine amino acid is a aromatic amino acid. It also take from diet. So it is essential amino acid. Each molecules of thyroxine hormone is made up of 2 molecules of tyrosine amino acids and 4 iodine atoms. So, one molecule of thyroxine consists 35% of tyrosine amino acid and 65% of iodine. Glandular cells of stroma absorb inorganic iodine from blood. Their peroxidase enzyme changes it into organic iodine. Okay. This iodine binds tyrosine molecules and forms thyroxine hormone chain. For example, thyroxine, di, tri and tetra iodothyronine represented by T1, T2, T3, T4, but T3 and T4 are found 10% and 90% respectively. So, thyroxine hormone has two forms, T3 and T4. Full form of T3 is triiodothyronine hormone. It is 10%. Second, full form of T4 is tetraiodothyronine. It is 90%. In T chain, T4 is actually thyroxine hormone and it is stable form of the thyroxine because it is secreted more in amount as compared to T3. T3 के comparatively T4 more amount में secrete होता है while T3 is more active than T4. But activation point of view से T3 more active है and T4 less active है. So in target tissues, target cells, T4 ultimately changes into more active T3. Hence, T3 is the functional form of thyroxine hormone, not T4. So, collectively, T3 and T4 are called as thyroid hormones. Now, second hormone of thyroid gland is calcitonin. It is also called as thyrocalcitonin or TCT hormone. It is secreted by C cells or parafollicular cells which are found in between follicular cells of stroma region. Nature of calcitonin hormone is protein nature and it lacks iodine. Without iodine, only made up of protein. Important point of this hormone, it is antagonistic to PTH hormone because it works against to PTH. Function of calcitonin, it causes hypocalcemia in the blood, that is less calcium in the blood, and is shaped by HCF means extracellular fluid by increasing the calcium ions deposition in bones, so the bones become strong. Its deficiency causes weak bones and teeth and increases excretion of calcium ions in the kidney. Now, functions of thyroxine or thyroid hormone. First function, thyroxine hormone increase oxidative metabolism, so rate of energy production increases. It means BMR, full form of BMR, basal metabolic rate of our body, resultant life speed is increase. It means thyroxine hormone balance the BMR. Second, it increases protein synthesis, comma, gluconeogenesis. It is the process by this fatty acids and amino acids are converted into glucose, comma, temperature of body and functions of nerves. Next function, thyroxine promote physical, mental, it means brain development and sexual growth, differentiation of gonads, testes and ovaries, and sexual maturation of the body. Next function of thyroxine hormone, it regulates carbohydrates, proteins, fat metabolism. Now, important function of thyroxine hormone, it plays an important role in the metamorphosis of tadpole larva into frog. It means it initiates metamorphosis in tadpole of amphibians. Due to its deficiency, the tadpole is unable to develop in adult. Metamorphosis is a process in which larva converted into adult stage. The deficiency of iodine stops metamorphosis in ambystoma and nectaris larva, so these larvae starts reproduction in larval stage, which is called neoteny or pedogenesis. Next function, thyroxine play role in osmotic regulation in cold-blooded vertebrates. Cold-blooded vertebrates are like reptiles, species. Their temperature will be fluctuate according to environmental temperature, not constant. It regulates the heartbeat. It means it directly affects sino-auricular node of heart. Pacemaker. Next function of thyroxine, it initiates formation of vitamin A from beta carotene protein. Another functions of thyroxine hormone is this hormone increases number of mitochondria in all body cells except that of brain, retina, spleen, testes and lungs. It means it increases metabolic rate. Another function, in females regulation of menstrual cycles, and it also affected the adrenal gland hormones epinephrine and norepinephrine. Now we are going to discuss about the disorders which are related to thyroxine hormones. First category, hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism means hyposecretion of thyroxine hormone. It causes following disease. First, cretinism. Due to hyposecretion of thyroxine hormone during pregnancy period causes defective development and maturation of the growing baby, leading to stunt growth resulting cretinism. प्रेगनेंसी पीरियड में थायरोक्सिन हार्मोन का हाइपोसिक्रेशन हो रहा है तो डेवलपिंग बेबी का डिफेक्टिव डेवलपमेंट होगा एंड डिफेक्टिव मेचुरेशन. सो इस टाइप के जो चाइल्ड्स होते हैं इनको क्रेटिन्स कहा जाता है. अदर सिम्टम्स ऑफ क्रेटिनिज्म डिजीज: mental retardation, low intelligence quotient, abnormal skins due to underdeveloped sexual organs. They are sterile. Second, myxedema. Cretinism disease occurs in childhood stage, but myxedema occurs in adult stage. In this disease, following symptoms are shown. First symptom, in this, water accumulate below the skin and deposition of fat occurs, so person appearance become puffy. It means swelling in face, legs and neck region. Second symptom, blood pressure, heart rate and basal metabolic rate BMR are below normal. The person becomes dull, lack intelligence and alertness, lacks of memory. इस टाइप के पर्सन्स डल होंगे, लैक इंटेलिजेंसी होगी एंड मेमोरी लॉस होगा, मीन्स मेमोरी कम हो जाएगी. लास्ट सिम्टम ऑफ myxedema, स्किन बिकम्स येलोइश एंड डिक्रीज इन रिप्रोडक्टिव एबिलिटी. नाउ थर्ड डिजीज, गोइटर. गोइटर डिजीज is of two types. First, simple normal goiter and second, endemic. Endemic goiter is spread in worldwide. In normal goiter, it occurs due to lack of iodine in food. In this, thyroid gland enlarges and neck of such patient become swollen. Other symptoms of goiter disease is throat symptoms of tightness, cough and hoarseness, trouble, swallowing. In several cases, difficulty in breathing, possibly with a high-pitched sound. Iodine deficiency is the major cause of goiter worldwide. Endemic goiter, it mainly occurs in the people of mountain region because the water of that region lack iodine. It means people living in hilly areas face this disease. Next, Hashimoto disease. it is an autoimmune disorder and it is discovered by Hashimoto scientist. It is caused due to formation of antibodies against the medicine given to cure diseases caused by hyposecretion of thyroid. जो मेडिसिन्स थायराइड ग्लैंड के हाइपोसिक्रेशन से जो डिजीज होती है उनको क्योर करने के लिए दी जाती है, वही उन मेडिसिन के अगेंस्ट एंटीबॉडीज बन जाती है और ये एंटीबॉडीज थायराइड ग्लैंड को डिस्ट्रॉय करती है. These antibodies attacks the thyroid gland and large number of lymphocytes build up in the thyroid gland. Lymphocytes make the antibodies that start the autoimmune process. These antibodies destroy the thyroid gland and it is called as suicide of thyroid. So it is a autoimmune disorder because it is caused by immune system. Second condition, hyperthyroidism. Hypersecretion of thyroxine hormone causes following disorder. First, exophthalmic goiter. In this disease, mucilage is accumulated under the eyeball. Mucilage is a fluid which accumulates under the eyes. Due to this, eyeball is bulging, hang outside, and vision of such person looks very fearing and eye looks staring. It is also called as Graves' disease. Some patients experience exophthalmos, it means prostration of the eye with eyelid retraction, edema of tissue surrounding the eyes, double vision and occasionally loss of vision. Now, second disorder due to hypersecretion of thyroxine hormone is Plummer's disease. It is found by Plummer scientist. In this disease, tumors are formed in thyroid gland. It is also called toxic multinodular goiter. Thyroid condition characterized by marked enlargement of the thyroid gland forms thyroid nodules and overproduction of thyroid hormone. So, Plummer disease, which usually occurs in older people, is of unknown etiology. Next gland, parathyroid gland. In human beings, there is two pairs of parathyroid gland embedded in thyroid gland. That's why they are called parathyroid gland. Each lobe of thyroid gland has two parathyroid glands, two embedded in right lobe and two embedded in left lobe. So, its length is 6 mm, width is 3 mm and weight is about 20 milligrams. This gland secretes only one hormone which is called parathormone, PTH, and this hormone discovered by Coliff scientist. So, it is also known as Coliff's hormone. It is the very important point of this gland. Nature of PTH is simple protein which is made up of 84 amino acids. Functions of PTH. First, it increases the calcium ions level, it means hypercalcemia condition, and decrease the phosphate level in blood plasma. So it increase blood calcium ions level by dissolving of bonds, increasing reabsorption by kidney, and increasing absorption of calcium ions from intestine. It decreases blood phosphate level by excretion of phosphate ions through kidneys. Ideal concentration of calcium ions required in various body activities like muscular contraction, impulse conduction, heartbeat, blood clotting, bone formation, and fertilization, etc. is maintained by effects of parathormones. It promotes synthesis of vitamin D. It helps to muscles contraction and blood clotting. So, PTH and calcitonin both are antagonists to each other. Now, disorders by hypoparathyroidism. Disorders which are occurs due to hyposecretion of PTH hormone is hypocalcemic tetany. In this disease, muscle spasms occur. Spasms means jakdan, vibration in body, and heartbeat is increased. Now, disorders by hyperparathyroidism due to hypersecretion of PTH hormone. Following disorders first, osteoporosis. In this disease, bones become fragile, means hollow inside, soft and porous. Calcium is removed from the bones and goes into the blood, and there is increased absorption of calcium ions from the intestine into the blood. This results in increased levels of calcium ions in the blood and an excess of calcium ions in the urine. This condition is called as hypercalcemia. It is more serious case. Fragile bone causes osteoporosis, and other non-specific symptoms of hypersecretion of PTH include depression, muscles weakness, and fatigue. If excessive increase in the blood calcium level results in dystrophic and metastatic calcification, metastatic means move from one place to another places in soft tissues of the body. Hypercalcemia may cause formation of stones in kidney and gallbladder. Osteoporosis is also known as osteitis fibrosa cystica disease. So, there are two disorders, osteoporosis and hypercalcemia of hypersecretion of PTH. Now, parathyroid gland has been completed.